In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Canva videos in high quality. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to set your export so your footage looks crisp and professional, whether you're sharing on social media, embedding on a site, or sending it to a client. Start in the Canva editor with your video fully ready. Give it a quick playthrough to make sure clips, transitions, captions, and audio are all in place. Tiny touch-ups now can save you a re-export later. And keeping the editor open for a moment helps Canva cache your media so the download goes smoother. When you're ready, head to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This is the hub for publishing, collaborating, and exporting. It's easy to miss if you're focused on the canvas, but it's the gateway to the high-quality download options we need. From the Share menu, choose Download. For video projects, Canva will typically default to MP4, which is the right choice for most platforms. If you see a file type option, confirm it's set to MP4 video. This format preserves quality while keeping file sizes manageable, and it uploads reliably to places like YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. In the download panel, look for the quality control and move the slider to the highest setting. Pushing this to the max tells Canva to render with more detail and fewer compression artifacts. Keep in mind that higher quality means a larger file and a slightly longer export time, which is normal. If your original design was created at a smaller canvas size, raising quality helps, but it can't add detail that wasn't there to begin with. So for future projects, start with dimensions that match your final destination, like 1920 by 1080 for Full HD. Before you start the export, take a second to consider your internet connection and available storage. A stable connection helps Canva finish the render, and having enough space on your device prevents failed downloads. If your video includes voiceover or music, the quality slider won't change your audio levels, so make sure they're balanced in the editor first. Now click Download to begin rendering. Keep the browser tab open while Canva processes the video. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it completes, your file will save to your default Downloads folder. After it lands on your device, give it a quick preview to confirm it looks sharp and plays smoothly. If you plan to upload it somewhere that compresses video heavily, starting from this high-quality export will help preserve the best possible look after their processing. That's all there is to it. Simple clicks, maximum clarity.